Hey there, everyone. All around / Mitch. I like to go by Mitch. Mitch here again, and I'm here to bring you another unboxing video. Kind of been flooded with those lately, but I enjoy doing this. It's kind of fun to open my new stuff that I buy. Now, what I'm going to be unboxing today is just the simple Logitech k120 keyboard. Now, okay, this is just kind of a simple keyboard, USB wired, meant to plug into my computer because my old laptop, my old keyboard is really old and kind of crappy. I can't push two keys at once, otherwise it stops working. And it's not even flat USB. It's the old sort of almost S-Video kind of looking thing where it plugs in and it's not USB. It's this kind of circular one, if you know what I'm talking about. But I have an adapter for it so I can plug it into my laptop, which is what I use for my computer. Okay. So this is USB and hopefully it works properly. So just kind of bust into this thing. Pop a key out so I can, not knock my thing over. Don't know why I made that noise, but there we go. Let's just kind of get my key out of my pocket and I'm gonna saw that up. Saw, freaking A sake. Come on, work with me, would you? Come on. I'm not good at this kind of stuff. For heaven's sake. I think I'll get myself a knife to use. Don't know why I turned into whatever accent this is. There it is. Oh! Fuck. Don't know if it was obvious, but my tripod's a little precarious. Let's be careful when I'm unboxing stuff. That is so dangerous. That's so dangerous. I just cut towards myself. I gotta pull my coat off. Holy crap, I'm gonna melt and die. Oh! Now let's freaking A. Well, so we're retrying this time, I guess. There's. Oh, come on, work me. I'll do this on camera. Of course, oh, there it is. Toss that aside. Well, there's the keyboard itself, very sleek looking, usual matte black. It's not very clicky. My other one's very clicky. This one's very quiet. So, it's nice. It's kind of a simple keyboard, not too complicated. Plug it in and I might make a review of it later. This is a very short unboxing, but there you have it. Hasta la vista, baby.